Danke bafethu, welcome back to Mkhulu Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Sebakubeke kwacaca lapha neNaturen bafethu ukuthi bayafuna ukuyiwina i-Confederations Cup. Sekusho ama-players a-different mangiwalalela from Peterson, uSolomonzi, Kaizer, even umphathi wakhona i-sporting director, even nabo-coaches laphana ukuthi bafuna ukwenza kahle kakhulu. Well, directly or indirectly bayasho ukuthi bafuna ukwenza kahle kakhulu, bafuna ukukhompitha and they wanna show ukuthi bayi-team enkulu, bayi-Kaizer Chiefs, they one of the uLebohang Maboy bekhuluma ngayo lento le ukuthi bona bayi-giant, bayi-institution, so i-team enkulu bafuna ukubonisa lokhu ku-continental level. Waze washo ukuthi kunama-players agudi kakhulu lapha ne-team ane-experience, nama-player anganayo i-experience but bazokwazi ukubambisana bonke bakhompithe balwele i-team ukuthi bathole ama-results a-right. uSolomonzi mekhuluma, I think bekhuluma lapha ne-radio ye-Kaizer Chiefs because of bekhuluma khona e-radio ne-Kaizer Chiefs, Kaizer Chiefs radio whatever laphana. So mekhuluma indaba yokuthi ujabule kakhulu laphana ukuba khona, uyazi ukuthi competition enkulu kakhulu, bafuna ukwenza kahle and bajabule kakhulu ukuba i-part of le tournament lena. Uthi-ke akunandaba ukuthi baqala la e-home noma bodlala lena away, but-ke nje bafuna ukuqala kahle competition, bayiqale nge-win. Ukuthi babhilde lese momentum from lapho. Uthi-ke nje ba-prepare kahle for i-competition and everything laphana ukuthi benze kahle. Uthi bayazi ukuthi badlala nama-teams awu-2 laphana e-Egypt ngeke kube lula because of bazo-travela indlela ende phela bafethu ukutravel ke-Egypt. It's lay on top of the African continent, meaning that bazo-travela kakhulu, so i-long distance. But-ke through ama-preparations ne-psyche that they're working with, like mental ukuthi babe right, ba-right ngempela and then ba-prepared. Vele ezibona i-Chiefs kudala befuna ukwenza kahle, kudala befuna ukuzibonakalisa e-Afrika ukuthi bakhulise i-brand yabo beyond the borders of i-South Africa, because ku-South Africa, e-South Africa i-Kaizer Chiefs i-biggest team by far, and then bafuna ukuba ne-presence e-right-ke e-Afrika ukuthi benze kahle, because obviously for the past couple of years i-Sundowns and Pirates yibo ababa ne-brand e-strong ku-continental level because of bakhompitha kulama tournament lawo. But-ke na i-Kaizer Chiefs is coming in strong, bafuna ukubonisa ngempela abantu ukuthi bayi-Kaizer Chiefs nanokuthi bafuna ukulwa. I've said this a couple of times of it ukuthi they have a chance, a pedigree ukuthi bayiwine i-cup Confed. I mean they've reached ama-final, let's say 2021. So yes, abanayo i-team mawubabheka like abantu abaningi ethimini laphana abanayo experience, to be honest, banayo ngempela experience yokukhompitha, but laba abane-experience they have to share it nalaba abanye. By the way, i-experience ayikudlalela ibhola, kufuneka uma ungena egrawundini ubonisa inkani nje kuphela bafowethu. Sure, ihanga ne-desire to win iba nenkani uma ungena egrawundini. Imbodi, I will always say this because I'm super impressed by umthetho. Noma enama-mistake ukuthi akakwazi ukuphasa kahle, uluza amabhola, but ispirit sakhe, i-work rate yakhe, funeka leyo nkani leyo egrawundini. Ungangena egrawundini udamatisi, be willing to fight and die for the team. And kumele batshele leyo nto leyo uma bengena egrawundini ukuthi die man. Hawu, bangasabi abanye abantu, 11 versus 11. Angeke ngempela, there's nothing special bafethu ngama-North African teams. There's nothing special ngama-teams wase-Africa, but ilento inkani yabo ebalulekile. I wanna talk about before ngimuvela ku-goalkeeper, I wanna talk about i-midfielders, ama-midfielder Kaizer Chiefs. Akwaziwa laphana ukuthi kuqala bani. Uma ubheka laphana ku-central bafethu, kunokuqala uCele, uNgcobo, uMaboy ungena yena boma-second half, uNdlovu naye unokuqala. So uma ubheka kuleya position leya, ama-coach asadlala umjikejo they don't know who to trust at the moment because bayale nale. So njengoba ngike ngasho ey'nsukwini bafethu ukuthi uma ufuna ukubhilda i-winning team, you have to have your own team nama-substitution wakho. So uma uzodlala ukuthi kungena lo kuphinde kudlale lo kudrojwe lo, banokudropha umuntu odlala kahle, like uKwinika sike sa-complain-a ngayo ukuthi bake bamdropha uKwinika edlala kahle because of i-Nasho Miguel bebuye laphana kwi-injury. So bona-ke namhlanje ukuthi uKwinika uzodlala nanokuthi uzo-contribute kangakanani, or bazomdropha ngoba u-Given Msimang ukhona. But when I look at the team, uSilva international udlalile, uye umuntu onayo oza ne-pedigree ne-experience. Lebohang Maboy, uNdlovu naye udlalile ku-Continental Showpiece, noNgcobo 2021 bekhona laphana. uCele udlalile even overseas and away. uNasho Miguel same unayo lo experience. uMako uCross udlalile e-Europe, different parts of the world. So uMonyane, uVuma bekhona laphana 2021. So bakhona abantu abane-experience abazokwazi ukusiza i-team. And-ke i-Al-Masry-ke kuphume iy'ndaba zokuthi i-player labo leli eliyingozi bafowethu suspendiwe. Ubani? uSalah ususpendiwe, ngeke adlale ngoba i-top goal scorer yabo laphana nga-5 goals. Uye umuntu bekumele bambheke kakhulu, but-ke kubonakala ngathi angeke abe khona kule team le ezodlala ne-Kaizer Chiefs. They could not overturn le nto leyo ukuthi uzodlala or ngeke adlale because of ba-complain-ile ku-CAF, but le suspension yakhe, but they could not overturn. So bona, but cause yabo le nto le yama-reporter online isikhathi esiningi bafethu kuripota abantu le nale nale. So bona i-match mayiqala ukuthi uzobe khona uRobbie engekho, but kungaba i-statement win kakhulu for i-Chiefs ukuthi ikwazi ukushaya le team lena at home. uPeterson ukhulume, bebuzwa ngale ndaba le yama-fans laphana ku-conference e-Egypt ukuthi why nithi bethi i-Kaizer Chiefs bona bahlezi base-home away njalo wonke ama-match, bathi no ama-matches why bahlezi bathi base-home ukuthi banama-fans amaningi wherever they go laphana ku-Chiefs, they fill up ama-stadiums. Even ne-coach i-Chiefs isho kanjalo uBen Yusuf ukuthi la baya khona nje siyazi la kuya khona i-Chiefs bafuthu kuyagcwala, whether idlala e-Cape Town, idlala eGqeberha, idlala e-KZN, Moses Mabhida, idlala Polokwane, stadium hlezi sigcwele. Why? Because of different parts of the country ama-fans ayafuna ukubona i-favorite team yabo yenza kahle, and then bayayisapota ngokweqiniso. So they are behind the team everywhere i-team la iyakhona, ama-fans they are always behind the team. Egypt, well, abakayazi that much, to be honest, Buffett, because of i-presence yabo ku-continental football azange bayithatha serious. Egypt bazazela leseyo Sundowns kakhulu because yazi i-team enkulu bayazi kanjani. Same thing ne-Limpopo bafowethu. I-Limpopo besingayazi angithi, but siyaze ngoba idlale ne-Pirates, manje idlala ne-Mamelodi Sundowns. So sesiyayazi i-team yaziwa kanjalo, and soyikhohlwa leseyo-Limpopo, but mayiloku ibuya idlala no-Pirates, iphinde idlale no-Chiefs, ikhula kanjalo. Same way lento le yenzeke ko-Sundowns ukuthi idlala ne-Al Ahly neZamalek, seyigcine seyidumile ko-Egypt. Cabanga i-population yase-Egypt bafethu ukuthi ingakanani, over 100 million population. Bayingakho abantu abafavor i-Al Ahly. I-Al Ahly i-Sundowns mayiloku idlala ne-Al Ahly throughout the years, i-population yabo around the continent iyakhula ngithi, or ngithi udumo lwe-Sundowns lokhu liyakhula around the continent because of badlala nama-teams different parts of the continent, go-Algeria, kuphi kuphi, sebayazi ngaleyo team leyo angithi. Same thing ne-Pirates, njengoba beyale ne-Chiefs-ke kubalulekile ukuthi wathathe serious lama-competition ukuthi izibonakalise ukuthi no man, akusilaba kuphela e-South Africa. Isho ukuthi nayo ikhona, futhi not just ikhona just uku-add ama-numbers, but nje izolwa, izozirepresenta kahle, izobonisa abantu ukuthi no, we here to win, we here to compete. I'm trying to quote what they might say, which is a good thing bafowethu, to compete at continental level with the best players on the continent. Enye into le nto le ngeke ngayisho ukuthi uma udlala ku-continental level maningi ama-player athola i-exposure. E-North Africa i-Al Ahly izowabheka ama-player we-Chiefs, oZamalek bazobabheka, even e-North Africa bazobabheka, and then because i-North Africa ibukelwa ama-teams ose-Middle East, that is why onkotha kube easy ukuthi baye e-Middle East, because bebadlala i-CAF Champions League babona. Ngicela ukuyibamba la kwamanje. Danko, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, simake sure bafowethu ukuthi le page siyalikhulisa lifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Danko.